time class, given tayo ng statement. Let us identify if the given, okay, is an example of inductive or deductive. Okay, boys, kindly read. Anyone, what do you think is the answer? Yes, Roberta. Deductive, kasi nag-start sa word na. Okay, general. Ano yung word? Ano yung keyword natin? All. Very good. Deductive reasoning. How about this one? Oh, given the sequence. Given the sequence. Inductive or deductive? Yes, Oladive. Inductive. Tandaan pag sequence, inductive. Pero na lang, kung ang sequence ay may all sa harapan, magiging deductive siya. Okay, inductive. This one. Okay, girls, can you read?
All the people that
are very strange. Okay, oh, anyone? What do you think is the answer? Yes, anak. Deductive, very good. Next. Okay, complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Angle A and angle B are complementary angles. O, conclusion muna tayo. Therefore, we can conclude that, Arjun.
And angle B are two angles whose sum is 90.
Okay, very good. And what is the answer? Inductive or deductive?
Inductive. Deductive.
Deductive. Why? Dinefine muna anak si complementary. Then, nagbigay ng halimbawa, angle A and angle B. O, next. In the sequence ulit. 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the next number? 15. Very good. And what kind of reasoning is that? Inductive, deductive? Inductive. Next. All rectangles have congruent diagonal. Square is a rectangle. Therefore, we can conclude that, ano yung naulit ng word? Rectangle, cancel. Sino natira sa baba? Square. Oh, square. Have or has? Has congruent. Very good. Okay, square has congruent diagonal. And what kind of reasoning? Flores. Okay, deductive reasoning. Next, a pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. Polygon ABCDE is a regular polygon. Therefore, we can conclude that. Yes, anak. Okay, very good. A polygon ABCD is a polygon with 5 sides. Inductive or deductive? Deductive. Kasi ang binigay na example ay nasa second statement. Bakit deductive? Kasi dinefine sino? Si pentagon. Ano ba yung pentagon, class? Pentagon, it is a kind of polygon with how many sides? Pentagon. Oh, what do you call a polygon with 3 sides? Triangle, 4 sides. Quadri. Okay, kasi class, maraming kinds of quadrilateral na 4 sides din. 5 sides. 6. Hexagon, 7. Heptagon, 8. Octagon, 9. 10. Decagon, 11. Andecagon, 12. Dodecagon. Another example. Sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the next term? 10. Balakyaw. Inductive. Tandaan class na kapag sequence at pattern, inductive yun. Next. Okay, all numbers on digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. The number 208 ends in 8. Thus, we can conclude that the number 208 is even. Very good. And what kind of reasoning? Yes, anak. Deductive reasoning. Number 3, boys, read. Roberta. Eagle and hawks lay eggs. Okay, what kind of reasoning? Okay, sige anak, ikaw. Okay, deductive reasoning. Next. Smoking can cause cancer. Okay, Thomas is smoking. Anyone? What is the conclusion? Kirante.
Thomas can cause cancer. Ay, Thomas cause cancer.
Ah? Si Thomas ang cause ng cancer?
Ay, cancer.
Origin.
Thomas can have cancer.
Very good. Thomas can have cancer. And for number 5. By the way, class number 4, inductive or deductive? Deductive reasoning. Number 5, every time Kevin visits her dentist, okay, she receives excellent services. Okay, what do you think is the conclusion?